Hi, I'm Ken Hecht with Phase Technology. This is our new CS series of products. It's a value-oriented product, but with a ton of features. The new CS series has poly cones with rubber surrounds, swivel tweeter, and real crossovers on the back with real metal binding posts. So these things sound really good and they look great. We have micro-flange designed round grills, and we also have a square grill option that you can use with it. This is our new higher-end CI line of products. We got CI 110, 120, and 130. Even though they're in-wall speakers, they're designed to take the wall out of the equation. The way we do that is we start with a 1-inch thick MDF baffle, which helps isolate the drivers from the wall. We have our positive clamping system. It's a patented design which further isolates the flange from the wall, so it prohibits transmission of vibrations from the baffle from going to the wall. And then around the mid-range and tweeter, we have our Unicell acoustic treatment. What that does, it absorbs all the sounds from the mid-range and tweeter that would normally travel along the baffle surface to the wall. And all you hear is the sounds, direct sounds coming from the mid-range and tweeter. It's kind of like a box speaker with a tweeter on top of it, where there's nothing surrounding it and it gives you a nice, open, airy sound. These things have our absolute phase crossovers, so vertical and horizontal dispersion is really fantastic. And they're just great sounding speakers for an in-wall design.
Hi, this is Jonathan Duran with Phase Technology, and today I would like to talk to you about our new P3-35 mini amp. This is a Class D 3-channel amp, 35 watts per channel in 3-channel mode. If you use it in 2-channel mode, you can get 55 watts per channel. It's a very feature-packed little amp. It has digital and analog inputs, Dolby digital decoding, a subwoofer output, Bluetooth, RS-232 control, and the soundbar is very unique in the fact that it has a few features that separate it from the pack. We have under here an EVT switch, which stands for Enhanced Voice Technology. So if you're watching a film and the dialogue is kind of buried in the back, you can hit that switch and it will bump the frequencies that are associated with human speech intelligibility, so you can understand, you can discern that dialogue much more clearly.
Hi, this is our DARTS all-digital system. The idea behind DARTS and the original concept was to have control over the whole audio chain, from when we design the system and voice it, to when we produce it, ship it to the customer, and the customer puts it in his house. We wanted to be able to predict how the system was going to sound. The way we did that was we developed a 16-channel digital amplifier. Each channel has 250 watts of power, and each channel also has its own DSP. And in the DSP, we're doing crossovers, time correction, and equalization. So when we ship a DART system, it is the most precise system you can buy, perfectly matched system to within a half a dB, and that's about as good as you can get. Every room has its own sonic signature, and so it changes the way the system sounds. So back in 2005, we partnered with Odyssey to develop a custom PC-based program to calibrate the room to bring our system back to its reference response. And the nice thing about an Odyssey system is that it not only brings the system back to our reference response, it does it for multiple seats in the room. So you no longer have a single sweet spot. The whole room is really the sweet spot. By having a system that's as near calibrated as you possibly can in the listening area so that all speakers sound pretty much identical, you have the smoothest transitions and you won't notice the speakers at all. You'll just enjoy the experience with an enveloping sound field. For more information on Phase Technology and all these products that we've shown you today, please come visit us at www.phasetech.com. Thanks.